In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App Overdraft. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App account and you need to click the bank icon in the bottom menu. On the top of this page, you will see this text, get your free card. So you need to get Cash App card for free to activate the overdraft function. So you just need to click this button, then you need to order your free card. Just click get your free card, customize it, select your favorite design, and when you receive your card and when you activate it, after that you need to go to your card page. Right here you will see your card when you activate it, and when you go to your card page you will see the overdraft option. It will look like this. You need to activate overdraft coverage, you need to turn it on, and after that your Cash App Overdraft function will be activated. So there will be different limits for different accounts. And now about the limits, guys, you need to spend the minimum $500 per month to activate $200 overdraft. So if you spend $500, you will get limit to $100, and if you use Cash App actively, you will increase these limits, guys. Also, the overdraft money will be covered from your Cash App balance automatically, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.